Practice is over.
Nice.
So guys, basically what I need is this consistency, okay? We still have a lot to learn. We're not the greatest paddlers quite yet, but I need this consistency because I'm counting on the fact that I think it takes us 8 strokes to get somewhere. If all of a sudden you guys become superheroes and it takes us 2 strokes, not good. We're gonna crash, okay? If all of a sudden you guys freeze up and decide to not paddle and it takes us 30 strokes, not good, all right? Key thing is listening and just being consistent. Use your body, paddle with your body, paddle with your core. Paddle when I'm telling you to paddle, you stop when I'm telling you to stop. Don't make me say stop 3 times, don't make me tell you to paddle 4 times. If I'm repeating myself, somebody, maybe you, are doing the wrong thing. Forward! Stop! What's going to happen is we're going to go through a very fast-moving section of water. We got to drop in all the right places. So you might hear a right forward. You might hear a left forward. You might hear both sides forward. You might hear an all back, okay? Just be ready and listen. Left side, raise your hand real quick. Right side, raise your hand real quick. Thank you. That seems good. We'll go with that. Two strokes. Point where it's going to look like you're going to smash into a wall. I will say lean in. If I say lean in, you lean in, your paddles go up in the air. If I say get down, you get down. Don't confuse the two because lean in is said for a very specific reason, so we're up and ready to go right off the bat. 2 strokes. All of your weight should be on your feet, your head, shoulders, leaning into the boat. Take this rapid seriously. It's a big one. One important thing for everybody to know, there are no rapids after this rapid. When we get to the bottom, there are no rapids. Don't panic. Forward 1. Stop. Forward 1. I will say a right side forward, right side. I need you guys on it, listening and ready to go. Forward 1. That's going to be at the bottom. Forward 1. Right side forward, right side. Both sides forward. Stop, stop. Both sides forward.